Ever wondered about making your own herbal cough syrup? It's a traditional practice that combines the power of herbs with the soothing properties of honey, all brought together with gentle heat. Before you start, it's super important to research any herb you plan to use to make sure it's right for you. Ready for a couple of simple recipes? For a classic soothing syrup, try simmering marshmallow root or licorice root in water, then strain and mix with honey. Another great option is a spicy syrup using ginger and cinnamon. Just simmer slices of fresh ginger and a cinnamon stick, strain the liquid, and stir in honey until it's all dissolved. These are simple to make and can be a comforting addition to your wellness toolkit. If you like this type of information, check out our Empower Your Wellness series. Please like and share. Thank you for watching.